I think maybe mine should be first because I think yours might have more jokes in it, or am I wrong?
I don't know that either of them are lighthearted, but let's do yours first.
No, these are not lighthearted stories at all.
I mean, we never go light. The lightest we get is like just how stupid the FBI is. But even within those, it's like they accidentally shot a woman in the face.
Yeah.
So
they set a village on fire by mistake. Whoops. Like, yeah, there's
whackity schmackity do. And that's why we have you with the funny voices to jump in.
We're like morning radio.
Wickety.
Yeah. It's 48 past the hour. Traffic out the nines. Anyway, all right, we'll do mine first. Government secret segment.
Waggity schmaggity do.